Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Tone It Up in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Tone It Up. There you can see Tone It Up Fitness app. Press on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using Tone It Up to tone down your muscle and help you with your fitness journey. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.